Look, guys, the cows pulled that down. We have Spot, we have Clyde, we have Fred and Barney all foraging together. This is so amazing and so cool. I missed it when they stood up and pulled down the branch of the pecan tree. And it's got pecans on it, so yeah, it's pretty cool that they pulled it down for everyone there, even the little baby to forage. This is why I was talking about having a successful goat farm, not having too many goats, but having enough room for them all and have an equal amount of animals to do multiple things. Look, they're playing. The little herd is now leaving. His sister's calling. Oh, look at that. There they go. I don't very often out here when I'm doing hay have the phone with me. So boring, so why should I film it? But I actually am catching some really beautiful moments this morning. They are not related. They are both males. I was always concerned about that. But he's going back over there, standing his ground with the big boys. Yeah. See, when you don't give them a whole lot of feed, and I only gave them a cup each for each animal in this pasture, they actually do start foraging and eating the things that you want them to eat. This is so cute. They're not even coming over getting any hay this morning. And there are 6 pecan trees in this pasture. And these two love to eat pecans. It is their favorite thing. So this field won't be harvested. This is all theirs. So I leave you with this morning happiness.